Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to remove necessary signing for your Google Forms documents. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main website URL that you want to open up, and once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. In the home page, in the first upper right corner, we can see we can get started signing up for an account. If you do not already have one, you're going to have the sign up button. If you do already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. If you have one, just log in normally, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we can get started creating a new form. We can take a look at the recent forms we have already created, so on and so on, and now we can get started. So first, open up your form that you want to change the signing necessary for. So if you do not already have a form, just create a new one from right here. As you can see, it's going to open it up like this. If you have one, just open it up right here from your recent form. So as you can see here, I have a tutorial form for a video where I can get started. Here I have my questions and so on. Basically, I'm ready with my form, and if I want to change a necessary signing to fill out my form, it's very easy, and all I have to do is just go right here into the settings option. Going into settings in the top page right here, you can go ahead and take a look at all the settings options that we have, and now we can go ahead and take a look at this option right here that says responses. By clicking on responses, it's going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at it. Is it require sign in? Currently it's turned off. If this is turned on, then people will need to sign in to answer your form. If it's turned off like it is right now, then people will not be able and not need to sign in, and you will be able to fill it out however they like, how many times they like, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.